Imagine a world where fashion isn't just designed by humans, but by intelligent machines dreaming up runway-ready looks.
It sounds like science fiction, doesn't it?
It really does. Welcome to the Deep Dive. Today we're embarking on a pretty fascinating journey looking at the intersection of AI and haute couture.
Yeah, we're focusing on a specific narrative called AI Fashion Odyssey, the 108 Creations.
Right. And our mission for you today is to unpack the vision behind this futuristic fashion studio set in 2025, which is apparently powered entirely by AI.
Exactly. You're going to discover how this tech is crafting a genuinely new future for style. We'll get into the cutting-edge processes, this really cool blending of cultures.
And interestingly, the surprising challenges they face, like teaching a machine to dream responsibly, that phrase caught my eye.
Mine too. It's quite evocative.
Okay, so let's dive into the vision first. Can you paint a picture for us? This Nura Fashion Studio in 2025.
Picture this. It's sleek, very modern, maybe neon lit. You've got holographic displays shimmering, servers humming quietly in the background.
You can almost feel the buzz of innovation.
Precisely. And at the heart of it are our main characters, Elara, who's this vibrant, tech-savvy young designer,
Okay.
and her mentor, Dr. Kai, a brilliant, maybe slightly older AI scientist.
Got it. And their big project.
It centers around Elara's program.
Yeah.
The name gives it away. Fashion Images 108.py.
Oh.
And its goal is pretty audacious. Generate 108 completely unique outfits using AI.
108, that's specific. And it's not just random clothes, right? You mentioned
Yeah.
cultural blending.
Exactly. That's what makes it so compelling. The AI isn't just spitting out designs. It's specifically programmed to blend diverse cultural styles.
Like what, for example?
Think the energy of Tokyo streetwear meets the vibrancy of Rio.
Wow.
And then it fuses those with really forward-thinking 2025 trends. Things like bioluminescent fabrics, holographic accents, stuff we might only imagine now.
So it's a real melting pot of styles, powered by code.
Perfectly put.
Okay.
And the engine behind this, it's Stable Diffusion XL.
Okay, I've heard of Stable Diffusion. The XL version
Yeah.
is more powerful.
Significantly. It's known for generating highly detailed, very realistic images from text prompts. Dr. Kai, the mentor figure, calls the whole setup a cultural tapestry.
A cultural tapestry woven by AI. I like that. So how does Elara actually get this started? What's the process?
Well, she initiates the main function in her code, the main function.
Right.
And the first thing that happens is the image config class loads up. Think of this as the AI's style guide.
So it contains all the different looks.
Exactly. It's got entries for Japanese streetwear, Parisian haute couture, but also things like AI-generated textile patterns, completely novel fabric ideas.
And then does it just start making pictures?
Almost.
Yeah.
First, a holographic model flickers to life. It actually previews a visual prompt that's generated by the code.
Oh, cool. Like a preview of what the AI is about to create.
Yeah. You might see text overlaying the hologram saying something like, a photorealistic model showcasing Japanese streetwear with a cyberpunk aesthetic featuring holographic accents posed dynamically in a futuristic cityscape.
Okay, so it's very specific.
Yeah.
Extremely. And the AI doesn't just slap elements together. It crafts each outfit paying close attention to things like cinematic lighting,
Wow.
ensuring every detail, the stitching, the texture, the overall silhouette, it's all, well, perfect, or as close to perfect as possible.
It sounds incredibly detailed, not just a concept sketch.
Not at all. It's aiming for a fully realized vision.
Okay, let's maybe pull back the curtain a bit. How does the tech actually make these images? What's happening under the hood?
Right. So the fashion image generator, part of the code gets initialized.
Uh-huh.
And then the core AI model, the Stable Diffusion XL pipeline, loads onto a powerful server, needs a good GPU, so it's running on CUDA.
Got it. High-performance computing?
Definitely. Then the generation begins, image by image. They mention using a batch size one.
Meeting one image at a time. Seems slow.
It might seem slow, but doing it one by one actually allows for maximum stability and precision, especially with complex fashion details. You want each one right.
Okay, that makes sense for high fashion.
Yeah.
And as it runs, you'd see these incredible visuals popping up. Models wearing styles inspired by, say, African anchor prints, all vibrant. Or maybe the clean, sharp lines of Scandinavian minimalism. A real global tour.
But AI image generation isn't always perfect, right? You get weird artifacts sometimes. How do they handle that?
That's where the refinement process comes in. They use what's called a refiner pipeline.
A refiner.
Yeah, it's like a second pass the AI takes, specifically to improve things like faces, hands, and other intricate details that often trip up generative models.
Ah, okay. So it cleans up the glitches.
Exactly. And this works alongside something really crucial, the negative prompt. This ties back to that idea of teaching the AI to dream responsibly.
Right. The negative prompt. Explain that a bit more. How does that teach responsibility?
Well, it's essentially a list of things you don't want the AI to generate.
Yeah.
You're guiding it away from errors or undesirable outputs.
So, like, don't make blurry images or don't add extra limbs.
Precisely. In the story, they actually hit a snag. An image comes out with a cropped figure, like half the body is missing.
Oh, okay. A glitch.
Yeah. So Elara checks the system,
Yeah.
logs the logging.info messages to see what happened,
Smart.
and then she adjusts the negative prompt in that image config file. She adds terms like incomplete body, cropped figure.
So she explicitly tells the AI, avoid this specific problem.
You got it. It's like setting guardrails for the AI's creativity, ensuring you get full-body shots and realistic faces consistently. It's less about raw output and more about guided output.
That's a fascinating way to think about interacting with AI creatively. It's a dialogue almost.
It really is.
Yeah.
And there's another technical detail Dr. Kai points out, a cleanup function in Elara's code.
Cleanup. What does that do?
Think of it like system maintenance. After each image batch, even a batch of one, it clears out temporary data from the computer's memory, specifically the GPU memory.
Why is that important?
It prevents memory leaks and keeps the system stable over the long run, ensuring it doesn't slow down or crash while generating all 108 images. It maintains performance.
Right. Okay. Essential for a big project like this.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
And thanks to these refinements, the negative prompts, the refiner pipeline, the cleanup, they start seeing consistently flawless results.
They're
Like a stunning Brazilian tropical fusion outfit described with bold neon palettes, or a really cool Seoul K-fashion look featuring modular designs, pieces you can maybe swap around.
wow. The variety sounds incredible.
It really is. And importantly, as each image is created, all the key information about it, its cultural style, visual tone, the fashion trends it incorporates, is saved automatically
Where does it save it?
into a file called imagemetadata.json. It's basically creating a detailed catalog of the AI's entire creative output.
A digital archive of the collection.
Exactly. Which leads us to the grand finale.